Hello everyone, welcome to the Ichimoku.co daily market view for the trading day ending Monday, April 28th. Firstly to the S&P 500, a continuation of the trend to the downside today, but spinning top type candle finding support at the top of the Ichimoku cloud and at the 1850 level of previous support. Also finding support at the Tenkan-sen and the Kijun-sen, and suggesting a very real possibility of the trend changing to the upside. If it does change, we do have strong resistance around 1883. Moving to the NASDAQ 100, a bearish market in the long-term and medium-term timeframes on a small bodied candle, a doji type spinning top type candle, following a downtrend, and does suggest a possibility of a change of trend, but a change of trend will likely meet very strong resistance at the bottom of the Ichimoku cloud at 35.79. Next, moving to gold futures and a continuation of the trend to the upside today, but on a black body candle where the sellers have taken back control away from the buyers, finding resistance at the Kijun-sen and the Ichimoku cloud, potential for a change of trend to the downside, and this is a potential bearish harami pattern as well, so we're looking for confirmation of a change of trend to the downside. Light sweet crude oil, continuation of the trend to the downside, lower high, lower low, but on a white body candle, so net momentum has shifted strongly from the sellers for the previous day's trading back to the buyers in a minor way. The buyers, however, have failed to take control. There is some doubt whether they can change the trend, but we are seeing strong support at the top of the Ichimoku cloud. If the trend does continue, we do have the round number 100 to interact with just below the cloud for the next day's trading and at the cloud for the following day. Moving to wheat futures, and here we see a doji type candle at the end of an uptrend and a candle that has tested the 716 level of resistance, and we saw previously that the market was strongly rejected from that area, and this does set the market up for a change of trend. If the trend does change, the round number 700 may offer support, so we do need to watch that, but also strong support around the Kijun-sen and the Tenkan-sen and just below at the 683 level. But a bullish market in all three time frames. It wouldn't surprise to see the market come off and then for the buyers to come back in, but very, very solid resistance overhead at 716 and 722. Moving to the US 30-year bonds, and this market has seen the trend change on the first time frame today, and a fairly bearish candle, a large black body candle, following the market testing to the 135 level of resistance and being rejected from there. We should see strong support coming in around 134, and if that fails, then the Kijun-sen around the 133 level may hold a strong support. Here, where we previously saw that large zone of resistance around 134 holding as resistance, we are now seeing that area hold as support, so it will be crucial to this market. We do have a bullish market in the long term and medium term time frames, but that Kijun-sen is still pointing flat and price action is being attracted back towards there, so 134 is crucial if we are going to see the buyers come back into this market. And just a quick look at the hourly charts for the S&P 500 futures, and here we see the market trading up above the Ichimoku cloud. So whereas previously we saw a bearish market by trading below the cloud and below the Kijun-sen and Tenkan-sen, we have now seen a bullish breakout up above. One thing to watch out for here is that sometimes we can have false signals when we see breakout from the flat part of the cloud. What we want to see here is follow through, and if we do see some strong follow through in a bullish manner up above the high of this current candle, which is at 1870, we could quickly see the market testing to the first pivot point resistance level at 1877. But there is very, very solid support for this market all the way through to the bottom of the cloud, which coincides with the middle pivot point level at roughly 1860.